Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can change the language at the OnePlus 10 Pro. Okay, first of all, let me tell you, whatever language you will have on your phone with whatever letters, the symbols and the positions I will show you here in that tutorial video will be always the same. Okay, let's start. First of all, we will need the settings. You can have them always if you scroll down right next to the camera, scroll down right next to the camera, and then you will have here always the symbol for the settings. Below the sun here. Okay, tap on the symbol for the settings. Then we need to scroll down to the point System Settings. In front of it you will have an icon with 3 points in a row. Okay, tap on System Settings. Then we will need the second point, Language. So tap on the second point, Language. And maybe you will have a list here already. And if your language is part here of the list, just go here on the 3 bars and swipe it up. In my case, German here, swipe it up to the top, so Deutsch, and then go on the blue text here to change the language in German. And then my phone is in German right now. Okay. Let me put it back to English because I want to show you what to do if your language is not here part of the list. Okay, so now it's the question, what if your language is not part here of that list, or if you don't have a list here maybe? Go here on the last point, add a language, written in blue. Tap on add a language, written in blue. And now you will have all your languages which one are available here on the phone. And as you can see, we have also it with dialects. So let's keep going on maybe with English here with the dialect, maybe from the Philippines. And greetings, by the way. And go here on yes to confirm that it's the default language already. And now English with the dialect from the Philippines is here now our language on the phone. Yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, or maybe just subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for all your support, and maybe until next time. Ciao.